Hey everyone, if you've been following my channel, you know I had already done a full review on the Blue Cash Preferred card by American Express, but this video I'm going to be highlighting the updates that were introduced back in May 2019, unfortunately just 1 or 2 weeks after I had posted my original review, and I had already did the unboxing video comparing the new design to the predecessor, so if you're interested in that, make sure you check out the link in the description, also at the end of this video. The American Express BCP was already a powerhouse of a 6% cashback card, especially since it's at grocery stores which offer a wide variety of gift cards you could also purchase, and you can kind of go from that mindset of how much you can actually maximize on your spend. And then with the May 2019 update, this card got even better. Not only do you get 6% at US supermarkets up to $6,000 per year, and then it's 1%, but you get a 6% cash back on certain US streaming subscriptions, including the popular Netflix, Hulu, Spotify, Pandora, that kind of stuff. And that 6% is not capped off at all. And you also get 3% cash back at US gas stations and also at transits, and you can see the stuff that are eligible here listed on the screen, as well as common things that are not eligible in this transit category. And it's because of the recent refresh, for a limited time up until June 26th of 2019, the welcome bonus is at its historic high of $300 after $1,000 of minimum spend within the first 3 months of getting approved for the card. This offer is not public, it's only by referral, so I'll be putting my referral link down in the description so you guys can get the best offer possible, because Amex does have a once-in-a-lifetime rule, which means you can only get one welcome bonus ever for a particular card. And even if you do decide that the Blue Cash Preferred card isn't for you, you'd rather get like the Blue Cash Everyday card, you can still use that same referral link so you can get the highest possible sign-up offer. To see other Amex cards with a higher referral bonus offer, just click on the referral link down below, and then click on the button that says View All Cards with Referral Offer, and then find the card that you want to apply for. Now, I did mention that the minimum spend for the sign-up bonus is $1,000 over a course of 3 months. If you think that may be a little bit too difficult to hit, you can use a service called Plastiq. I did a whole video on that, which you basically can use that service to use a credit card to pay for big purchases like your mortgage and rent and stuff like that you usually cannot pay with a credit card. So if you're interested in that, make sure you check out my video on Plastiq. I'll also put my link down below where you can sign up. So let's also talk about this annual fee for the Blue Cash Preferred, because it is a $95 annual fee and it's not waived for the first year. So because it has an annual fee, you have to do a little bit of a math calculation to see if this card actually is worth it over getting the regular no annual fee card, the Blue Cash Everyday card. So it's a very simple algebraic equation where you set the earnings of the Blue Cash Everyday card equal to that of the Blue Cash Preferred card, taking into account that $95 annual fee. You solve for X, that would be the dollar amount where the Blue Cash Preferred will start earning more money as long as you spend this amount in a given year. And that dollar amount is $3,166.67, so that's the amount you have to spend in 1 calendar year to make back that annual fee and justify choosing this card over the regular Blue Cash Everyday card. What that translates to is approximately $260 per month of grocery spending. So if you have a large family, I can see that this is an easy threshold to get hold of, which makes this card much more sense over the Blue Cash Everyday card. And of course, that calculation doesn't even factor in the 3% that you get back at gas stations and transit. So if you do choose to use this card also for those purposes, then you get even more value using the preferred card over the Blue Cash Everyday card. The cashback type for the Blue Cash Preferred is called Reward Dollars. This is different than the American Express membership reward points, which is earned by some of their other cards. So the Blue Cash cards specifically earn this thing called Reward Dollars, which you can redeem towards statement credit, gift cards, and other merchandise through Amex's portal. So in addition to the special high earning cashback rate, Amex has a lot of other benefits, including purchase protection, return protection, fraud protection, warranty extension. This is really great, especially if you're buying things online, as well as certain travel protections. For more details on those benefits, you can check out my referral link in the description. But with many credit card companies currently reducing their cards' benefits, it's really refreshing to see that Amex seems to be maintaining and even bolstering their benefits. The company Amex itself has really great customer service. They offer a chat service so you can easily talk with a representative without even picking up the phone. You also get access to American Express's deals. One of the ones I've used recently is to get almost a free membership of Hulu for the past few months because they were able to reimburse the monthly fee. But what really makes a great overall experience with using an American Express card is its user-friendly app and also website. It has the option to really quickly freeze up your card if it were ever stolen or lost, and they also offer a free FICO score using Experian. However, since this is a review after all, there are some caveats I want to point out. First of which is that not every store that sells groceries will qualify for the groceries categories. This includes Target, Walmart. Warehouse stores like Sam's Club and Costco don't count towards the groceries category because you can buy so much more than just groceries at those places. On the flip side, it's also possible that certain grocery stores like small international food chains will only choose to accept Visa or MasterCard and not American Express. And finally, as of the review upload date, there is no way to directly deposit the reward dollars into your bank account. However, the workaround here is that if you maintain a negative balance, in a few months, the credit card issuer is required by law to refund you that amount via check. So then you can take that check and deposit it into your bank account. Now, if you made it this far in this video, you're probably wondering how easy is it to get this card. From what I've heard, it's pretty easy to get American Express cards. I personally was approved for it at 740, but you can definitely get approved at a lower score. At the time, I had about a year and a half of credit history and had a lot of hard inquiries. However, American Express doesn't care at all about how many inquiries you've had. Once accepted, you're actually given a temporary card number that you can use right away for online purchases or using a mobile payment service such as Apple Pay, which is super convenient because you can basically start using your card right away and start earning the minimum spend requirement to get that sign-up bonus. So with the May 2019 update, this card has become even more desirable than before, which was already a highly recommended card, because it offers the highest earning cashback rate for groceries, and plus, because of the grocery store category, you can technically buy gift cards to almost anything that you would want, making it a very lucrative card. The only reasons I can think of to not get this card over the Blue Cash Everyday card is if you cannot spend an average of $260 approximately at grocery stores, doesn't even have to be groceries, or if you don't want to deal with managing gift cards if you can't make that $260 just on groceries. Because apart from the grocery earning cashback rate, there really isn't any other difference between the Blue Cash Preferred card and the Blue Cash Everyday card. Again, you can apply for either one of those cards with the highest possible sign-up offer using my referral link down below.